The Wolf DF304 is one of the most popular pro ranges sold in the US. In this video, you'll learn about all the features of the Wolf, including burner output, oven, and reliability. Then you'll see a comparison between the Wolf and its main competition, Miele, Thermador, and JennAir, as well as a surprise competitor. Wolf hasn't changed their design in a while, so is it a range you should consider, or is it a product of clever marketing? Before we look at the DF304, let's look at dual fuel versus all-gas ranges. Many people would naturally assume dual fuel is better, but that depends on how you cook. Electric is a drier, more precise heat, so it's better for baking. All gas is a moisture heat and is better for roasting. Broiling, especially for an infrared, is far better in a traditional gas range. For Wolf, their dual fuel is better, with higher output on the burners, as well as a better convection system. You also have a clock and timer system on the dual fuel versus none on the all-gas models. There is, however, a $1,900 difference, and the dual fuel requires a 30 amp electric power as well. So electric is better for baking, whereas opt for an all-gas range if you roast or broil more. Wolf has better specs on their dual fuel range, but that isn't necessarily the case when you look at other brands. This Wolf has good output on their burners, starting at 20,000 BTUs, along with an 18 and 15,000 BTU, as well as a 9,200 BTU burner as well. Wolf employs a two-stage burner and can simmer as low as 300 BTUs. Thermador does have a lower mean simmer at 100, but it turns on and off to reach that lower temperature. Controls have become more of a feature as you look at other manufacturers. Wolf has the light-up knobs showing temperature and mode on the top, so you don't have to bend. You also have a fully retractable clock and timer as well. The oven features twin convection. Wolf was the first with twin convection and still the best because each fan has a thermistor to turn on or off automatically depending on temperature. So each corner of the Wolf has the same temperature. Every other manufacturer has two fans operating regardless of temperature. Dual fuel ranges require more service in general, but Wolf is one of the most reliable ranges you can buy. So how does Wolf compare to JennAir, Thermador, and Miele? Thermador has decent power on the top with two 18,000 and two 15,000 BTU burner. The star burner is cleanable because it's raised. Thermador is less expensive and offers a free dishwasher. However, Wolf has the better overall range with twin convection as well as a clock and timer. The Miele dual fuel has the best controls with the Master Chef program. You pick the food and doneness, and the range calculates time and temperature automatically. Miele also has steam assist. You can bake bread and caramelize with up to 3 bursts of steam. The best alternative to this Wolf range is a Wolf 30-inch induction range. The oven is the same, but the Wolf induction can boil water faster and simmer better than any gas burner. It's also the most child-safe because the magnetic burners need to sense metal to turn on. So it can't actually be turned on by a child without metal. Lastly, induction requires less venting due to its increased efficiency. Induction, however, needs a 50 amp line. This Wolf isn't fancy, doesn't have Wi-Fi connectivity or steam functionality. However, it does perform the basics of cooking, speed on the top, and convection baking. So you should certainly consider the Wolf DF304. Although you may have cooked on gas your whole life, you may also consider induction as a good alternative as well.